can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo.